This church has been here for 143 years. On the third Sunday in October, we celebrated our 143rd anniversary, even though we were not here. Once Saturday came through, we realized we were without power, and this was what it was going to be for the next 3 or 4 days. We just figured that this would just be a different moment, but we would make it. Moment in time as it relates to the flood is the fact that we did not see it coming.
Rescue teams have now reached hundreds of flood victims in Lumberton. In much of this city, the water is waist deep and rising.
Catastrophic flooding from Hurricane Matthew. It's taking parts of the South by storm.
As the town of Lumberton filled with water, desperate neighbors fled any way they could. 1,500 needed rescue. Lumberton has been declared a disaster.
And these are people who've lived here their whole life and have never seen anything like this. While I'm grateful that CNN and others covered us on national news, once the cameras pack up and leave, it is a moment in time where the people are left to put back together their livelihood and their lives. Out of the 100 counties in North Carolina, we're the largest landmass-wise, but we're also the poorest. We're a strong community, but a lot of people here live check to check. And to ask them to set their stuff out on the street, their memories, their belongings, even the carpet that they walked on, that's full of mildew, full of mold. And to watch that be hauled off and taken away. We're a month and a week and a half out, and we still have people we're trying to find where they are and what's going on in their life. Amazing moment. We're going to need not only financial help, we're going to need spiritual and mental help. This is what New Orleans looks like after Katrina on the East Coast. Found out the extent of the damage, knowing we could not get back to the sanctuary, and we had service in the parking lot. It's an amazing thing. As far as our fellowship hall, we're one of the leading churches when it comes to feeding drives and all that. That's gone. Our electrical system is gone. The water level reached the rafters there. That's why all of this is torn out. The old finance office, and that was a classroom. The whole heating and air system has to be replaced. It was a $45,000 project, but we've lost the whole system, and that's just this building. That's not including the parsonage. It's not including the daycare. Even now, we being without a church house, we're still serving. We've served over 30,000 units of care to this community.
If the church can't do it, how can we expect anyone else to do it? You know, the church is community, the community is the church. So we're here to serve, do what God says,
a number of things that we've had to put on hold because we just don't have a place to meet because of kind people like the people of Charlotte, you all, so that we can get back to a sense of normalcy with lives being changed and saved. I'm just eternally grateful to Mecklenburg, the Meck, for you all reaching out to us to make this a part of your mission. And all the places you could have been to reach out to us, when I say thank you, I mean thank you.